Well, this is an Atlantic Haco brake. It's a 16-foot brake. Most people have 14-foot, 12-foot brakes. This is 16-foot. That's great in case somebody needs something 16 feet long. You don't have to make two 8-footers and weld it together. It would be seamless. So you can have companies, or if you have a shear that complements it, is 16 feet long. You can shear the whole part up. A lot of people love that. They like one straight piece with no waves in it, no welds in it to show. So that's the best thing about this. This particular one's 225 tons. So it'll do a 1/4 inch sheet, I think 16 feet long. I haven't done that yet. That's what they're telling me it'll do. It also has the brand new updated controller on it. The ones that came with it weren't too good, so they upgraded that one. So that's all up to date. It's an ATL 585. And it also has the digital back gauge, so you can do multiple bends. You can make your 1-inch bend and then a 3-inch bend as it goes, so you don't have to pick the part up 2 or 3 times. You can just do it all in one shot. Other than that, it's got very low hours on it. I picked it up used, and we put the new controller on it, and we didn't put too many hours on it yet ourselves. Again, we haven't had too much time on it, but what it has done for us was phenomenal. I really enjoyed this brake.